Welcome to Paris. Welcome back to Rick's Trips. Had a great trip on the Eurostar. Loved it. And back in Gare du Nord. Not to find a hotel. There's just a couple of upcoming scenes on my trip to Paris. But this episode is focused on a review of the Holiday Inn Paris Opera at Grand Boulevards. Even though it was cold and it snowed the next day, the hotels in Paris were very expensive, so I was glad to get this one on points. I opened up the city mapper and decided it was almost as quick to walk as it was to take the metro or an Uber. Okay, do I know how to pick a hotel or what? Here's the Holiday Inn, Paris Opera, Grand Boulevard, and Corcoran's Irish Pub, right across the street. Who knew? After just about a 20-minute walk, I arrived at Grand Boulevards, which is an awesome and very busy street with lots of restaurants and hotels, and the metro is right outside the front door of the Holiday Inn. This is the Grand Boulevards metro station, and it serves lines 8 and 9. You can purchase tickets a number of ways. I got the Navigo Easy Pass, and I loaded it with 10 tickets. For a very easy tutorial on the Paris metro station, go to La Frenchie's YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. Now let's go check out the Holiday Inn Paris Opera. We took the small elevator up to the 3rd floor, which is numbered the 2nd floor, because in Europe they start the floors with 0, and that's the floor that the lobby's on. Let's go check out room 219. Bienvenue, room 219 of the Holiday Inn Paris Opera, Grand Boulevard. Has coffee, tea kettle. It's got a mini fridge with refillable water that you refill downstairs, she told me. Has a desk. Nice TV. All Paris rooms are small. At least that I found. And they all seem to have wallpaper. What's up with that? Bed seems nice. Has a thermostat that I can control the temperature, so that's good. And a very nice redone bathroom. It should do fine. I don't have any view, except for the other building next door. Apparently you can't open these more than just a little bit. But at least you can open them a little bit. Nice, let some of that cold air in. It's 42 degrees when I got here. And it started raining. I was almost all the way from Gare du Nord train station. My room for 2 nights. My home for 2 nights. Somebody left me a little note. Enjoy your stay. Very nice. Merci beaucoup, Diana. You know, I'm noticing that the rug here looks pretty new. Actually, just about everything in the room looked new. Okay, I'm looking around. I don't see any USB ports or USB-C ports. So don't forget your European adapters and your USB plugs. Let's go check out the lounge on floor -1. Well, they had a wine tasting event, but I missed it. An office area, coffee machine, espresso machine. You've got a scale, you can check your the weight of your luggage. And water dispenser, they give refillable bottles in the room. Pretty easy to use. Just put your card there, make your selections. Voila. You have a microwave too? This is a very comfortable lounge area. Lots of tables, lots of places to sit down, and good Wi-Fi access. So if you need to get some work done, this is the place you go to do that. Very nice. They even have a shoe cleaner. That came in handy even with my sneakers on because of all the salt that was on the roads. I was so happy to have gotten the room on points since they were very expensive at about 270 euros. I was more than happy to pay 24 euros for an amazing breakfast on the 1st floor. This is where you go get breakfast on the 1st floor, etage. Bonjour. Bonjour. You see? This breakfast, or as the French say, petit déjeuner, had everything you'd expect from a upscale hotel. Even had the salmon that I love. All kinds of cold cuts, fruit, cereals, breads. There's some more of that refillable water, juices, and you could even get eggs to order. And the food was absolutely delicious. I was very happy to have a room inside with no view. That's noisy out there, but the restaurant across the street was fantastic. Well, on my last day, I was going to get on the train, so I got up real early and went to pay for my espresso, and I used a short cup the first time and it didn't work. So I tried it again because no one was around, and it worked the second time. If that ever happens to you, go to the front desk. I didn't realize it, but somebody was there, and they said they would have helped me out. I enjoyed this hotel, and I'll be back. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.